to providing the CDC and the FDA the resources that they need, and we urge all Americans to follow CDC guidance on properly washing and cooking raw ingredients to prevent this foodborne illness.
The Trump administration addressing the parasite that is making so many Americans sick. Since May 1st, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says there's been more than 1,600 confirmed cases across the country.
And the numbers here in Florida are going up. NBC6's Hatzel Bella is live in the newsroom with the new details and data. Hatzel?
Jackie, Roxy, we are making sure that we stay on top of these numbers. Here in Florida, for example, you're looking at almost 100 cases when it comes to this parasite. As the number of cases of cyclosporiasis go up, we want to make sure you're informed.
Hey there, good afternoon to you. I'm Shelly Muniz, and
our own Shelly Muniz hosted a half-hour show answering your questions about the parasite. The Florida Department of Health says Miami-Dade has 17 confirmed cases since May 1st. Broward has 7. Monroe has 1. Across Florida, the cases have nearly doubled.
We're going to have a great conversation. It's going to be a lot of poop talk.
This afternoon, we talked to Dr. Cornelius Powell, Broward Health North, who tells us this parasite is already in our environment. And from time to time, we get outbreaks. But there's one thing getting a lot of attention.
I think that the diarrhea that it causes is different. People are using this term explosive when really it's truly a severe diarrhea that people have.
And if you don't take care of it, see a doctor, or you could end up with dehydration, stomach cramps, nausea, and vomiting.
This parasite is associated with eating green leafy vegetables and unwashed fruit. It can take up to a week for it to actually show up, and it can last for weeks if untreated.
But the good news, it's easily treatable by antibiotics. Remember to wash all fruits and vegetables thoroughly before eating, and wash your hands before and after handling raw food and veggies. The White House today admitting the number of cases have been unusually high.
That's why we're working with the FDA and other partners at the federal, state, and local level to increase detection methods, provide the guidance, and then also, most importantly, trace the outbreak back to its original source, which we are currently in the process of doing.
Reporters asked the White House if funding cuts have slowed the response at the CDC or the FDA. The White House spokesperson who you heard from there says federal agencies have the resources needed. By the way, if you'd like to watch the entire Q&A podcast, you can do so on YouTube, NBC6 South Florida. Just scan the QR code on your screen and you'll get a lot of good information. Live in the newsroom, Hatzel Bella, NBC6 News.